What it do, what it do, what it do. We are back. We're back. I'm back. I've been dreaming of this moment my whole life. Coming back to the markets after a few frustrating days. It's a new day, it's a new dollar. It's time to make some money, boys and girls. Time to make some money. That's right, that's right, that's right. Good morning, good morning. Taking a look at the overnight move. Right? Overnight move. Let's see what we got here. See what we got here. Overnight move on the hourly chart. We pushed above yesterday's high. We pulled all the way back down here. Consolidating right now, holding up there at the 340s, 350 area. You can see if we do sell down, what do we got? We got the kind of Asian low here at the 279s. And then possibly all the way back down there to yesterday's low, depending on the price action today. So I think we got a pretty good setup here if we do sell down to kind of move back down here. So basically, if we lose this 328 level, 330, maybe so like, you know, lose this support area, 300 area, it's back down there towards that 19,000 again. We did gap down, obviously, from yesterday's close. We gapped down there, and we'll have to kind of see how it all goes. Ugh. Either way, it's time to party, baby. Time to party. 15-minute chart right now. We're stuck below the VWAP there. Stuck below VWAP, below the EMA and all that. So just sitting back here, waiting and watching. Market open up. Plenty of time. Looking for our 15-minute opening range trade today. Let's see if we can get that opening range trade today. Make some money here. Ooh, da-da-da-da. Right now, kind of just chopping around here. Back up there towards the VWAP for now. That dotted line is yesterday's close there. Yesterday's close at that level. Let's see what happens. Right now, a little squeeze back up there. PW gap fill day with the bulls back to 19,650. Ooh, Lord. 650, huh? Samantha, 5-minute range, 15-minute range. It's all the same. It's all the same. Back up there, right to the VWAP right now. VWAP, that white line, push it back out there, 15-minute chart. We got a pivot point to the downside there, 19,300. We've got the overnight high at 19,511 to the upside there. There's a pivot point, 19,623. So it's time, baby. Time to make some money. Sitting back here, waiting and watching market open. Bow, wow, 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 wow. Bow, wow. Little push up there through the VWAP right now, 19,400 area, trying to push back up here. Had some resistance at this level earlier. Right now, kind of pushed through there. Any guests this week? We actually have a trader tomorrow morning, live from the BDH. We got a trader, one of the, I don't know if I call him a subscriber, but I guess he's a local trader, watches the live stream every day. We'll have him tomorrow live on stream. Exciting times, exciting times. It's not ZM. No. Are you going to trade today? Nope. No plans on trading. I'm just going to sit here and stare at the chart for 3 hours and just look at it and not put any trades on. Waiting, watching, waiting, watching, waiting and watching, watching and waiting. Rake trades, yep, April 9th. Live from the BDH, trading. Trading live from the BDH. Got the overnight move on the ES, very similar to the Nasdaq here. The bulls were in control yesterday, squeezed us back up, but does that mean they're going to continue the move today? Right now, holding the overnight kind of low area, both on the ES and on the Nasdaq. Monday's high on the ES is 5,672. You've got that pivot point up there, 5,688 level. So the ES right now kind of holding up there. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news here today. Lots of action. And just sitting back here, waiting and watching, getting ready. Kevin Slutter, can you go over the charts that you have open on the screen? Yeah, 1 hour chart on the ES. That's the chart we're looking at. Got the VWAP, we got the EMA, we got the close from yesterday, got some pivot points on there. So That's what we got. No Apex deal right now. Apex is just back to 70% off. They had the deal all of last month for 80% off. And now just got to sit back here and get prepared for market open. We got about 3 minutes until 9 o'clock, and then we'll see kind of what happens before the market open here. Good morning, Mr. Wieland. Are we going up or down today? I got no fucking idea, man. I got no idea. No predictions, just trading. If it goes up, it goes up. If it goes down, it goes down. And that's all we're going to be looking for. Did you order the boat yet? We ordered the boat. Yes, the boat has been ordered. It's being built as we speak. Hopefully I have enough money to pay for it. Hopefully. Don't tell anybody. Hopefully I don't lose all my money before I got to pay for the boat. Quad engines. That's all they're ever. I mean, what else do you need? It's a 42-foot boat. Got any pictures of the boat you can show us? I got a whole video that I'm going to be posting later on today. Got a whole video to post later on. This is basically what the boat looks like, though. It's a little. My boat's a little bit different. It has a different console on it, but this is basically the look of the boat. It's the same model. Mine's just gonna have some different features on it, but this is what it looks like. Got the 400s on the back. Got the double row seating. Ooh, buddy. Gonna be sexy, sexy, sexy. Captain's chairs. Oh, buddy. I don't have any seats in the front. I do have this little thingy. But yeah, that's pretty much the boat. That's the model of the boat, at least. Got a little inside area with a toilet and fun stuff. Some storage area down there. Put some more rods and stuff. Well, that's pretty much what I'll have. 42 foot of goodness, baby. This one's for sale right now for only 1.4 million. Anybody want to buy it? Anybody in the market for a $1.4 million center console? Well, if you are, check it out. All right, Nasdaq right here below the VWAP for now. Stuck there 380s. The high of that candle 394. 1.4 million. 1.4 million dollars. 1.4 million dollars. 15-minute chart kind of perking up here. We kind of held that overnight low area. Now the question is, do we push up to take out the overnight high? We've got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news here today. Let's see how we go. How many gallons? About 750 gallons of fuel. There's 3 gas tanks. Just sitting right there at the VWAP for now. It's 9 o'clock. Got the 9 o'clock buyers stepping in there through the VWAP now up there to the 98. See if they get that kind of like 420 area next. That was a little bit of recent resistance there at that 415, 420 area. See how this 15-minute range plays out today. Right now, pushing up there, 19,400 breaking. You've got yesterday's close there, 19,440, right? 19,440, that dotted line on the chart. Just kind of sitting back here waiting and watching for market open. You know how we do. You know how we do. Chat, 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 chat. Someone said, beware of the Trump effect. When he gets in front of the press, the market goes bonkers. It's a good plan. Going bonkers. Yeah, we got some news today. News today. What do we got? We got a decent amount of news today, actually. April 1st, and it's not April Fool's Day. We've got the 9:45 news. If you go to onlyprofirms.com, you can pull up the calendar here. Oh, God. It'll show you right there. We got JOLTS job opening numbers. We got the ISM manufacturing PMI number. These are big numbers, right? Big numbers for the market. We see what happens. We've also got tomorrow national employment, ADP national employment numbers. And then we've got initial jobless claims, S&P Global. We've got pretty much numbers every single day this week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, non-farm payroll on Friday as well. So big numbers coming out this week. If you want to learn more, check out onlyprofirms.com. It's a free calendar. You can check it out every morning before the market opens. So little link there in the chat. It's free to check out, and you can actually, like I said, you can toggle it. It shows you pretty much like all the important numbers, or pretty much all the numbers in general. So right now, S&P Global PMI number at 9:45, and then we've got 10 o'clock numbers. So probably going to be a bit of a patience type of day, waiting for the right move here at open, and then just trying to be patient for those numbers to come out. So no reason to rush, just sitting back here waiting to make some money. Just waiting to make some money, baby. Ooh. Just sitting back here, playing it safe right now, waiting for market open. We got about 24 minutes till market open. Right now, the Nasdaq We talked about there on the hourly chart, the big push up here overnight, getting dumped basically from 6 o'clock down there to 7 o'clock. And right now, trying to kind of hold up. We did put in a bit of a higher low here on this move down from the Asian session. So ding, ding. Do we go ding here next? I mean, there's room to the upside. Decent amount of room, especially with that big sell-off on Friday. If we get a squeeze going, I mean, 700s, 19,700 up there. The middle of that big dump candle from Friday on the hourly chart. But the good thing I'd say is we do have a good setup either way, to the upside or to the downside here today. If we lose this 300 level, lose a 300, we got a pivot point down there, 19,030. We've got yesterday's low down there as well. It's time to party, baby. The only thing that I would say different for the ES versus the Nasdaq here for the overnight move is the fact that the ES has not been able to push above yesterday's high yet. So Joe Epp, talking about 1900 or 19700. Yes, that's how it goes, guys. I'm not. It's all good. Hey, I'm not even gonna. It's all good. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Sounds good. Yes, that's what happens. The market could go up or down. I can't predict which way it's going to go. I just know that there's two very key levels to watch here. And that's all I can do. I can just react to that. I have no idea if the market's going to go up or down here at open. All I can do is identify possible scenarios and then capitalize off of those scenarios. So that's all it is. Again, for anybody out there who doesn't want to watch the stream, you don't have to watch it. It's not required. You can do something else with your life, you know, like go fuck off. Basically, you don't have to be here. It's totally fine with me. But that's the plan right now. Basically, if we can't hold 300, we look for move to the downside. If we break above the overnight high, well, then there's a move to the upside. That's all there is. That's all we're waiting for. I do not look at the VIX. I don't look at anything but the Nasdaq, the ES, and the Dow, basically. That's the only thing I'm looking at. It's always like, you know, that before a market open, it's always like, okay, you know, you're waiting, you're being patient, you're waiting, just waiting. Patience. PW, why the Dow? Sometimes. Because that's the three major markets. The Dow, the ES, the Nasdaq. I don't know. Patrick, have you ever considered trading the ES? Yes, I've traded the ES. I've traded the Nasdaq. I've traded both. When is a female trader going to be invited to the BDH or visiting the BDH? I don't know. I don't think we've had many female traders apply. I'm gonna go grab a water. I got the GT3 behind me today. Dungdu, what does that mean? Dungdu, when you say short signal locked, what does that mean? Like, what does that? I don't understand. What does that mean? You said that earlier, and then the market went up, and you said you weren't in. So if you say short signal locked, that means you're in? Or does that mean you're not in? I'm confused. You're in. So now you're in short. Dungdu. All right, just making sure. Some ice cold beer in the morning gets the blood going, baby. All right, right now we're right there above the VWAP. We've got yesterday's close up there, 19,439, that dotted line. Getting ready for market open. Looking here at the 15-minute chart, we've got that big move up overnight. We broke through the high of day from yesterday. If you look at the ES has not broken the high from yesterday. Does that mean that the ES is gonna break the high of day here at open? We got a pivot point on the ES, 5,687 to the upside. So let's see how she plays here at open. Hey Patrick, is Apex still 1 day to pass? I'm not sure, to be honest. I'm not sure. Daily bear flag. Pretty much like right in the middle of the body of this candle from yesterday. This like 700 area, the middle of that daily candle from Friday. the bulls could try to want to push it back up there to retest the middle of that hourly candle there. Zoom out. Oh, zoom out. Oh, zoom out. Okay. I've got it all figured out now. I got it all figured out. I've zoomed out and now everything is more clear. Everything is so much more clear now. I clearly see what to do. I can clearly see what to do now. Right now, just sitting there at the VWAP for now, holding on to the VWAP here. Holding on at the VWAP. Right now, just sitting there at the VWAP. That dotted line, like I said, is yesterday's close. Monday's high up there, 19,000. Well, the overnight high, sorry, Asian, kind of like London high, I guess. London high, 19,520 area. Tomorrow, Trump announcing his tariff. Like I said earlier, the ES has not taken out Monday's high yet. So the overnight move pushed up there, but did not take out Monday's high. Whereas the Nasdaq took out Monday's high. What does that mean? I don't really know exactly, but I think there's some unfinished business. Unfinished business to look at here. Nasdaq right now sitting there at the VWAP here. VWAP at the 3091s. That dotted line up there being the gap, right? That's the gap from yesterday's close. So we will get ready here for market open, baby. $430, $440 area. Yeah, we do have a lot of data today. We've got 9:45 numbers. We got 10 o'clock numbers here today. And right now, just sitting back, getting ready for a market open here in about 9 minutes. 9 minutes, people. We got 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Tory trades at the BDH, y'all crazy. Y'all crazy. Peter L. You don't think that the Nasdaq took out the overnight high or took out yesterday's high? You don't think that, Peter L? You don't think that? You don't think that happened? You don't think that the Nasdaq went higher than yesterday? You don't think that, Peter? Peter, you don't think that happened? You think I'm lying? Like, hey guys, how about this? Before you write something in the chat, like maybe like, I don't know, fucking just take a minute to think about it. Before you write something in the chat, just take a minute to think first, you know? Like just do that for me. You know, just spend, before you press enter on whatever you're gonna write in the chat, just take like 5 seconds to be like, is this fucking retarded or is this retarded? Just think a little bit, people. That's all. That's all I ask for. I'm not, you know, I'm not asking for much, but just think a little bit. Just think a little bit. Right now, the Nasdaq, the ES, both kind of above the VWAP, very similar setups. But like I said, the fact that the ES has not taken out that Monday high yet, is that going to be the target here today for the ES? There's a pivot point up there, 5,687. Tomorrow is the Trump news or the Trump tariff talk or whatever he's going to do tomorrow. There's that 925 candle. 925. Little dip down there to the 90s. Back to the VWAP one more time. Getting ready for market open here. Let's see how we go today. How we gonna go today, chat? Got about 4 minutes here, 4 minutes till market opens. Little push off the VWAP there again. Going into the open here. All right. We got about 4 minutes here till market opens right now. Kind of looking at those key levels with the ES, the Nasdaq. Got Monday's low. You got Monday's high. We're in the middle of that daily candle from yesterday. So just kind of in the middle of that move, middle of the range here, the body of the yesterday's candle. And let's see what happens at open. 3 minutes till market opens. Ba ba da ba da ba 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 ba. Are we waiting for the 15-minute range today? Yes, we are. But we've also got numbers at 9:45 and then 10 o'clock. So just being aware of that. No rush, like always. I think yesterday we were a little rushed into that trade. We paid the price. So today we're still going to take the opening range break, but we're going to be just a little bit more patient on it. PW, do you know the new rules for TPT? I don't think so. Are there new rules? All right, we got about a minute here. 1 minute. The news rules. Yeah, basically with TPT, don't trade the news. Don't trade a minute before it. Don't trade a minute after it, I think is the rules, right? All right. 30 seconds till market open. Woo! 3, 2, 1. The battle begins. Straight down here so far. $350s so far here, pushing down. Looking at the 2-minute chart right now, just waiting, watching. We've got a pivot point down there, 19,300 pivot point to the downside. That dotted line is yesterday's close. Kind of broke this big bear flag here at open so far. Do we continue lower from here now is the question, though. A little squeezy McSqueezer send back up there towards the VWAP. VWAP right now, 389. 389. If we break through this 390, 400 level, I think we would then push up there towards that 440, 450 area. Just waiting and watching right now. Let that 15-minute play out. Let the 15 play out here. 2-minute chart trying to squeeze it back up there. Right there to the VWAP again, 389, 390 on the VWAP. The Dow is straight down. Nasdaq's holding on here back up to the VWAP for now. Do we get through the VWAP here and squeeze up through the 400s next? There she goes. Straight up here now. 400 push. Needs more power, though. More power. Up there into the 413, 420, 440 area. Can we get that 440s is the question now. That's yesterday's close, by the way. That dotted line right there on the chart. Real nice little, real nice push there up to the 430s now. Up to the 430s right there. We got above the VWAP, broke out through the 400 level and up there to the 430s for now. That dotted line there. Dotted line said ... baby. Still got plenty of time here, my friends. Still plenty of time. Went right up there to that 430 to just chop it right back down here again. Back to the VWAP one more time. ES is having some trouble. Nasdaq looking weak below the VWAP. If we lose this 380 level, bulls basically want to stay here at the VWAP. If we get moving away from that VWAP again, the shorts are going to come in there. There's that 380, losing that 380 area here now. She should try to make new lows here. Still being patient, waiting and watching here. Market's just big old chop. This is gonna really play out for us with the 945 candle, or the opening range. Basically, it's gonna be nice. Gonna be real nice here, boys. Down there through the 360s now. Try to make new lows. There's the new lows, just like we said. We lost the 380s down there to the 340s. There's 40 points for you if you took the trade. Took out this low, popped through these highs, back down here again. Market waiting for this 9:45 news, 10 o'clock news. Market is waiting. Waiting here. We got our opening range right now we're looking at here. Market's going nowhere quick. Tigo said, is it normal that he thinks about trading more than he thinks about sex? I don't know if that's normal. Still stuck there below the 380s. That London low is down here, 279s. Looking very primed to get there. These candles holding on for dear life at the 340s. We're right back up there again to the 370s. The range is very real today. And we got that news coming out at 9:45, S&P PMI numbers, 9:45, and then 10 o'clock numbers here today. Let's see what's possible. We'll see what's possible here today. Again, kind of getting stuck there at the 370s for now, but you know how that Nasdaq does, how it likes to go. Back up there towards the VWAP again, 380s. Back to the 360s again. Back up to the VWAP once again here. There's your VWAP push. Will the VWAP turn into resistance or support here? Looking like support. Looking like support there. Back up again. $380 chopping. Right there at the VWAP now. Try to push this through the 400s probably. There's that push through the 400s. They really held that low down there. Amazing. Got news coming out here in 3 minutes. Just a big old chop fest right now. Big old chop fest. Right there at the VWAP. Again, just holding at the VWAP for now. Losing that, kind of breaking through the VWAP here again. We got news coming out here in 2 minutes. Nasdaq really just holding on to the VWAP here, 390s now. Will Black, let's go. Green again.
Match fee for being green again.
Love to see it, Will. Holding that VWAP back up to the upside there. Trying to break through that 420s. We've got about a minute until this news plays out. And then we got our 15-minute range set up happening here. So let's see what happens. 37 seconds. Oh, we got that gap fill right there, that dotted line. Market just kind of looks like it wants to push through there. See what happens when these numbers come out in 10 seconds. Three, two, one. The news is out. Right there at the VWAP now, just holding on there. If we do get the 15-minute range breakout here, I want to be careful that we're not just getting long right into that gap, that dotted line there. That's yesterday's close. So just want to be aware of that. Still just stuck there at the 420s. They're trying to hold right here, trying to get above that 420 breakout now. Got a more manageable range today, more manageable range here on the Nasdaq. 10 a.m. is the bigger news. Yes, 10 a.m. bigger news at 10 a.m. Trying to break out through that 440 level there next. 450s. Like I said, kind of want to get through that 450, 440 area and then look for a flag setup if we get this 15-minute range breakout. But we do have those numbers happening at 10 o'clock. Right now, pushing straight up off the VWAP right now. I guess we can confirm that we did get a breakout from the 15-minute range. So now we're looking for an entry here. Hopefully we can get an entry. Today it's just going to go higher and higher. Perfect. All right, we are currently just going straight up through the high right now. Need a pullback here. Well. Oh, God, why me? Looking for a little bit of a pullback here. If we can get back, like to tap into this 430, 420 area, would be great to try to get in long here. Just not really sure if we're going to get it now. The bulls broke out. Just tapping 440s. That might have been the entry. Let's see. No long yet. Still flat. Little pullback here, 440. See if we can't dip down here just a little bit below 440 to get filled. We got an order at the 32s there, but maybe like right here. Let me see if I can get filled 28s. All right, we are long here. Stop loss below the middle of the 15-minute range, the VWAP there now. And we'll look to see for a push up there to the 480s. Looking for 480 push on this move here. Nice little pullback there. I don't know. We could have might have got it perfect there. Might have got it perfect there. If we get this breakout and go to the 480s, I'm a fucking genius, boys. We're back. We're so back, boys. We are so fucking back. Oh, come on, Nasdaq. Give me that 480 push right here before these numbers come out. We are back, boys. We are back. Oh, man. Come on now, just give it to me. I need it right now. I need this. I need this, Nasdaq. I need that 480 push, baby. Come on. We do have numbers at 10 o'clock. We are long here, like I said, looking for a little bit of a pullback there for the 15-minute opening range and then looking for some continuation. To be honest, I'll probably take like 70s or so, 75s maybe. I don't know if I'll get all the way to the 80s there, but it's kind of what I would like to see. I just wish this 10 o'clock news wasn't coming out. Pulling back here again. VWAP's at the 87s. Our stops at the 95s here. Overall, risk to reward. I like it. We're risking 600 bucks. I need to actually move that stop down. I need to put the stop below the middle of the 15-minute range, right below the VWAP there. You can see the middle of the 15-minute range is right where the VWAP's at, 92s. So stick to the plan here with the middle of the 15-minute range being our stop. We got news coming out here in 7 minutes. We talked about being patient. All right, we're long. We are up about $500. Need the Nasdaq to push through there. Right there at yesterday's close, the Dow's pushing up. Just get this Nasdaq to push. After that 480 area, I mean, what do we got? Where's that overnight high? The overnight high is all the way up there at the 510s. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom here. Pulling back there to the 400s, back to the VWAP again. News coming out here in 5 minutes. Basically need to hold this 400 level. Ugh. If we get stopped, we get stopped. That's all it is. We're right there at the VWAP. If we're going to hold up, this is where we got to hold for the bulls. But with that news coming out here in 4 minutes, not looking too hot. So we might get stopped. And looking like we're going to get stopped here. The moment of truth. Oh, Lord. Holding up for now. Got to get back above this 400 level. We got to get back above 400 for the bulls. They want to hold the VWAP here. If not, we're definitely in trouble. Denied there at the 400s again. There's a seller stacking up 95s. Motherfucker. Ugh, so annoying. Oh, lordy, lordy. We had such good potential. The potential was there, boys. It was there. We're still alive. Probably not the best idea to hold through this news, but at this point, I guess we're gonna have to do it. Right now, the middle of the 15-minute range is holding up here. Middle of the 15-minute range, VWAP there, support. We're staying alive. We're still in it, baby. It ain't over yet. It ain't over until it's over. We got about a minute and a half until this news comes out. I need this news to be real bullish and just squeeze up there to the 500s. Squeeze up there to the 500s would be nice. Through the 420s, maybe. Make trading great again. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq. Make it great again, baby. Make trading great again. We got that 440 area, 440 to get through here when the news comes out, and then take it to the moon. Take it to the moon, Nasdaq. Oh God, the spread right now is wild. Spread is wild. 3, 2, and oh my God. If I survive this, I'll be the luckiest person on the planet. Well, I'm the most unlucky person on the planet. Fucking A. She gone. Oh, fuck me, man. Every time. Now it just stopped me out at the 75s and goes back up. We tried, chat. We really tried. We had a good plan. I think if the news wouldn't have come out right then and there, we probably would have been okay here. So, it is what it is. Not much we can do about it. Right there, the VWAP now. We got so close. So close. If we break back through the 440 area, I will look to get long again to try to retry this once this news figures out what it wants to do. Basically, if we break the opening range to the upside or to the downside, I'm looking for a trade once again. We're right there in the middle of the range. We're breaking the middle of the range here, 380s. In theory, we should sell down now. They're down there to the 360s again, chop. alone. Dip below the middle of the range here. Will we go lower now is the question. Right there at the VWAP. We're right back up there to the 400s again. You are low. Stuck there at the middle of the range here at the 400s. See if we get that 15-minute range of the break to the downside here now. We're right there, man. Chopping around the middle of the range here again. A market going nowhere. Stuck below the VWAP here. Did we break out to the upside here, or did we break the downside? Looking weak here again at the VWAP, back to the 60s. Break into the opening range to the downside there. Need to get this close on this 1 minute candle. No close on that candle below the 15-minute range, so it hasn't officially broke. No matter what you can do. Looking real weak here at the 340s. We lose that 340 area. We got that next target down there at the pivot point, and then 291 target to the downside there. All right, we're getting closes below the 15-minute range here now. But just kind of see if we get a better entry here. See if we get like a little bit of a bear flag set up here, like maybe a little bit more of a pushback up for a short opportunity. Market's still kind of closing inside that range there for now. Starting to break to the downside here. We're going to try the short here. We are short here, looking for a move down now. Get through this right down there. Oh, come on. Break that 300 level. First target is 291's 291 target there. First target is like right there in 392's. Get through the 300s here. We're going downtown, baby. First target is hit. We still got more targets to the downside here. If you look, if we get through one, I'm looking for possibly even lower down there, like 250 area would be the plan. I'm gonna move my stop to basically break even now at this point. Move the stop to the break even here and see if we can't ride this lower now. Break through the 290s there. We got the overnight low. Overnight low is 280s, 281s. So right now, holding up here at the 300s. This is always the hard part. Sitting here, you know, watching it. Just gotta let it go. Gotta let it go. Right there at that pivot point for now. Find some support down there. Might get stopped out. Back up there. Almost stopped out there. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. They wanted my stop so badly. Nasdaq wanted my stop so badly right there. God. Are you kidding me? Now that I tease it, it's going to come back up there. Oh, come on, Nasdaq. Just keep going. Keep going. Flip future. Blew it today. We know how that goes. Trust me. I know how that goes. That target on the chart right now turning into support. We're short from the 329s. Stop is break even basically, so. Just right there at that pivot point. Right Right there at that pivot point, 19,300 pivot point, holding us up for now. Still short here from the 330s. Can we get through the 290s here? Get through the 290s. Come on, Nasdaq. Take out the overnight low here. Take out the overnight low. Take me to the downside here. Right there, right now. Trying to go 19,300. Oh, come on. Just stuck. Stuck right there, man. Stuck at that first target. Our next target is 244 for target 2 to the downside. 50% of the opening range here plotted out on the chart. We're below that pivot point there, 19,300. She's trying to break. Come on. Wow. I'm just going to move my stop down here. 317 because it's either going to go or it's not. It's either going to go or, oh, there we go. Come on, let's get it. Come on. Come on now. 240s we need. 240 target here, chat. 240 chart. Let me give me that. Give me that. Give me that, chat. Come on, chat. 275s. 240s. Looking real good. Looking real good, chat. I'm going to move my stop now right above the high of this candle. Right above that 300 level. It's either going to hit probably 240 or, well, we'll take it. Guy gains. You have till 225. Maybe. I'll take 240 though. 225 is great, but I'll take 240. I will take 240, no problem. Oh. Wow. And we're stopped. Oh, that sucks. Whatever. Like, where'd that come from? Where did that come from? Where did that come from, chat? The usual randomness. Gotta love it. right back up there to the 320s now. Gotta love that. See if we test the 340 area again, the bottom of the opening range here. Ugh. I said, oh, why, you know, like, it's just like, why can't it just go where we want it to go? You know, why? Why can't it? Why can't the market just do what we want it to do? Kind of tapped into that trend line to the downside there, or the bottom of that channel. Pushed it right back up there. We're right back up there into the bottom of the opening range right now. Took out the overnight low, popped it right back up there. VWAP again at the 380s. Jason, I sent you 2 videos from today to cut down just into a 10-minute video. Each, there's 2 trades. So cut those down. The 2 trades, basically 5 minutes each or whatever. Just cut out the like wasted time. They can be shorter if needed. Even like just try to cut out any of the wasted airspace. All right, Nasdaq. Back to the bottom of the 15-minute range here. See if they're going to find resistance there at that 340 area. The back test of the 15-minute range here. We're back above that pivot point, 19,300 pivot point there. Why do you always sound so rude to Jason? No, please, no, thank you. Jason gets paid a lot of money. I don't need to say thank you or please for him to do his job. We're not here to be fucking sing kumbaya. We're here to make money. That's why. Trust me, I can be really rude. Me asking someone to do something is far from rude. We're not, this is not some liberal bullshit. There is no participation awards here. If Jason don't do his job, Jason's gone. The same way that if I don't do my job, I'm gone. So. Survival of the fittest. Nasdaq right now just holding on here, 330, 350 area. You gotta love it. You gotta love that, like the 2 days that I'm like, I'm really gonna stick to the opening range, you know, the 2 days that I try it, or the 2 days where the market just fucking chops. Absolutely fucked, you know? You know, like, that's always how it goes. Anytime you have, like, you're trying out something new or you're trying to do something different, the market just does exactly what you don't want it to do. It sucks. But that's kind of the thing, though, is like, it's just like we talked about yesterday. You can back test your whole entire life. You know, you can sit around back testing every day for 20 years. And at the end of it all, it don't matter. Like, back testing is back testing. If you're not trading, if you're not making money, who the fuck cares? Like, spend all your time back testing, spend all your time studying, but until you actually put the charts, until you actually put a trade on, none of that means shit. So, I've been getting a lot of shit on the internet from people. Everybody wants to come at me, you know, oh, Patrick sucks, blah, blah, blah. But like, it is what it is. This is the real process of being a trader. The little fucking 17-year-old kids on the internet have no fucking idea. They've never made any money in their lives. And they're giving me advice on trading. So it is what it is. Literally. And figuratively. Yeah, I saw LuxAlgo had that trend line there. 260s. We were so close to that level, to that target too. This is the LuxAlgo price action and concepts indicator. Had that line for that kind of microphone or whatever you want to call it. Ali Shatter. Not a stupid question, but based on your strategy, I've made a quick tweak to it, and I see that there is a high chance of hitting 19,180. Someone just botted the stream. Someone's botting the stream. It is not real, viewers.
Patrick, 13,000 watching. Is that a new record?
It's not real. They're bots. Whoever's doing it, you're not funny. Because watch, if I put it to subscriber only, there won't be like 15,000 people typing in the chat. Hey, the fact that somebody paid money for me to have bots on the stream, I guess they like me. They think about me. Yes. Guys, I did not buy bots. I did not pay for this. I don't care. I'm not even looking at the numbers. I'm not going to claim that those numbers are real. They're not real. It's not real. It's not real, chat. I'm not. Again, I am not paying for view bots. I do not give a fuck how many people are watching this stream. So anybody who's gonna try to come at me, it's not me. I'm trading. I'm live streaming here on YouTube. I am not paying for fucking bots. You fucking morons. Like, now people are gonna be like, look, Patrick, he just buys viewers. I don't buy viewers. It's some little fucking shithead who thinks he's funny because he's buying bots to watch my stream. It's not me. Why would I fucking pay for bots? I don't need to. I have 5,000 people watching every day. Like, it's a joke. Fucking retarded. Patrick, kids are watching this show. Well, don't get your fucking kids off of this show. Why the fuck would you let any kids watch a live stream of a guy yelling and screaming day trading on YouTube? That's your fault, not my fucking fault. Get your kids off the fucking internet. God, if you have a problem, don't fucking watch.
You know you are on the right path, Pat.
What a joke.
Everyone wants to come at you, drag you down. The non-stop persecution. Keep going, brother.
What a fucking joke. Oh, Nasdaq pushing up here through the VWAP now. Are we going to go for a third break of the opening range here? Is that possible? Is that possible? I don't think it's possible. How many times does that happen? 3 breaks of the opening range. We are literally everything ever since I started trading this fucking 15-minute range. It's just been nothing but just stuff that never happens ever. Literally, ever since I started fucking talking about it, it's been nothing but just like fucking amazing setups. It's crazy. Like, how does that work? Oh my God. ICT in the chat. What up, Michael? Michael's gonna be here in October. That's right. The ICT himself is coming to the BDH. I mean, I'm just laughing because it was like I knew that would happen, right? I knew that the minute that I was like really gonna commit to this strategy, I knew that it would end up just being fucked, chopping, and doing stupid shit. I mean, it's just how it happens. Nah, Michael's gonna come. He's coming to the BDH. 100% Michael is coming to the BDH. I know he is. I'm believing it. I'm manifesting it. The 14th of October. I do not have 40,000 viewers right now. Somebody's pranking the stream. It is not real. Again, I am not claiming that I have 40,000 viewers. It is not real. Don't even try to fucking claim that I... You know, don't even try to claim that I paid for viewers. So stupid. The minute that I stop using the range, it'll start working. Yes, I know. I mean, it's impressive. How many? I would love to know the stats. Anybody got the stats?
Patrick, what's the P&L looking like for the day?
P&L's not looking good. Anyone know the stats on how many times the Nasdaq breaks the opening range 3 times in one day? That's what I want to know. I want to know how often that happens. Who's got the data on that? Oh, God. Once every 300 years, literally. This market's fucked. Five times a year. Oh, God. All right, now we're breaking out of the opening range once again to the upside here. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh. What? Did you download those clips? All right, let me get that as soon as you can. It should be really quick. You don't have to do anything fancy. Just cut out the slow parts. Ramp up the big parts. Cut out the slow parts. Ramp up the big parts. We're going to the moon, boys. Going to the moon, boys. Nasdaq again breaking out of the outside of the opening range here. What do we do? I don't even fucking know. I've never encountered this before. 3 times in one day. 3 times in one day. You like my GT3 RS? I'll show you a picture of it. Yee! Oh God, what happened? Nasdaq's going to the fucking moon right now. What a fucking joke, man. I swear to God. This is crazy. It's fucking crazy. April Fools, 3 breakouts. Let's see if we break out again to the downside. You know, maybe one more time. Let's go back through the range one more time. That'd be fun, right? Wouldn't that be fun, chat? Do it one more time. Let's go down one more time. One more time, chat. Just one more. I think it'd be a lot of fun. $43,000 viewers. April Fools. It's not me paying for them, but somebody else. Hey, if my haters want to pay for viewers on the live stream, I guess, I guess they love me that much. All right, Nasdaq broke through the opening range to the upside here. You shouldn't be live streaming strategies to the masses. Oh. I think most of my viewers trade on prop firms, so I don't think they're really affecting the market liquidity, to be honest. How much is it to buy viewers? I don't know. I never bought them, so I wouldn't know. Nasdaq sitting here at the 440, 450 area. That 480 to the upside. Looking like a decent target here. If we can break out of this here through the 450s again. We're now trying to hold there. I'm trying this long here, boys. YOLO and the Rolo. We're long at the 450s. Can we get a push up there towards that 480 area? Stop is for right below that 430s for now. Probably a very, very, very bad chance that this plays out, but we're taking it either way. It's got to like go right through here right now. If this starts squeezing up, I'm going to trail it. Get through the 450s. Get through the 460s there. 450s right now, just holding up there. Break through this high of this candle, we go 480s. I'm going stop, break even here. I want this to go. If it's gonna go, God damn it! Why, Nasdaq? Why you do that to me? Dude. Back to the opening range high again. Good thing we got out when we did. Like I said, I was trailing that. It was either going to go or it wasn't. So Patrick, is everything okay at home? Yeah, I'm a little upset because your mom, me and your mom, we're not, it's just not going to work out. Me and your mom, we're not going to work out. We've been having a rough patch. Been having a rough patch. She said she can't be with me any longer. Because I make her feel a certain way she's never felt before. Make her feel a certain way she never felt before, and she can't live without it. So, we're gonna have to get to work. Somebody's. Still holding up there at the 450s. If we take out the 460s again here, I will look to re-enter above 460s. I'm going to re-enter probably for a quick scalp to the upside. There is all I'm looking for. Quick scalp in and out, baby. That 460 push right up there to that 480s, and then we lock in that quick profit. Testing 460s again. Tapping. Just consolidating. I mean, it should fucking break out here. We're flagging. We're holding yesterday's close. Everything is telling me that it wants to go higher. Up there to the 65s now. Let's do it all the way through there now. Don't stop. Take it, Nasdaq. Push it. Push it real good, Nasdaq. Push it up there. Push it up there, Nasdaq. Push it up there, Nasdaq. Oh, shit. It worked, chat. It worked. Up there to the 73s. Like I said, real quick push. Up there to the 480s now. This is wild. Wild. The fact that just played out the way that it did there. 480 getting tapped. Nick for a tick likes the hat. I like the hat too, boy. Good morning. Up there to the 480s, squeezing. How high can it go now? What, 520s next? Oh, come on, chat. Come on, chat. It's still going. That 520 area. The minute, see, like when I take profit early and I don't get greedy, this is what happens. It just goes higher. Always. Always. Come on. Are you even, I'm not even surprised. You know, like nothing surprises me anymore, honestly. You know, like nothing surprises me, honestly. Earlier, we traded the opening range breakout. Got denied. The third opening range breakout. breakout here. The third time, baby. What the fuck? Quite the move, though. Quite the move off those lows. That 300 pivot point. Holding up support there. 19,300 now. Up there to the 476s. Now what's it gonna do? Pull back here. That 500 area just sitting up there wanting to get broke. I mean, there's the overnight high that we have not got through there. 511 is the overnight London high there for this push. Like, this is the opening range breakout that we wanted earlier. This is what we wanted this morning, chat. This is what we fucking wanted. Ah! Oh, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. Broke through the 500s now. A little bit of a pullback. Target 2 is 527s to the upside there. So do we go all the way to target 2 next? ICT is gonna perform push. I pushed and I pushed and I pushed them accounts to the moon, baby. Guys, the 30,000 viewers are not real. Somebody paid for bots to view the stream. I did not do it. Everybody asking in the chat, I have no fucking idea why there's 30,000 people watching. It's not real. Relax.
Play push song and enter a trade.
Nasdaq just kind of flagging right here. Five-minute chart right now we're looking at. Right below that 500 level. She wants that 500 break, baby. Through the 500s again. 520s is the target too from the opening range breakout. If you had to get rid of every car that you have right now, what are you going to keep? Well, how does that work? I got to keep one? Nasdaq pushing up there, 520s coming up. This is wild. What a wild day. Absolutely wild day here. If I had to keep one car, I guess I'd keep the G-Wagon. Most useful. I am not in a trade right now. Why not keep the truck to tow the boats? My boat's too big to tow, Kevin. Well, once you get so rich that your boat is too big to tow it, no reason to have a truck anymore. Nasdaq up there to the 520s now. You gotta love it. Tappity tapping. There's 528s. Patrick, are you going to trade ICT if he goes to the BDH? No. I'm going to trade fair value gaps, baby. Oh man, the Nasdaq, you gotta love it. It's just, you know, the Nasdaq, you just gotta love it, man. Right there at the 520s. We hit our second target of the opening range now. Broke through the overnight high as well. 15-minute chart right now showing some strength, trying to push up here again. There to the 540s. I feel like this is the top of the move here. Is this the top of the move, or do we keep pushing? The bots are gone. I feel like this is the top of this move, but need some pullback here. It's either we're either gonna pull back or we're gonna go straight up. That's all I know. That's all I know, chat. That's all I fucking know, man. I don't know nothing else. It's going up. Like, it's just like, fuck. 2 times now, man. 2 fucking, like, 3, man. Look at that. Another opening range breakout trade. The 3rd one of the day, playing out beautifully right now. Oh, fucking, how the fuck? The first one's a fail, the second one's a fail, the third one's good, you know? Like, what the fuck? I don't fucking know. Ugh. Nasdaq still just squeezing higher here now. Up there to the 544, 550s. Still pushing 550s now. Tomorrow, we're going to have a YouTube subscriber here trading live at the BDH. So make sure you tune in tomorrow morning. Should be some fun. Trading live at the BDH. It's not Ruben. It's a new guy. New guy tomorrow. Will we get a reversal here now? Hard to say. Got the third target up there at the 574s at the upside there from the opening range breakout right now. Nasdaq just grinding higher right now. Look at the 1 minute chart. God. That target 3 right there is 75s. Target 3 is now hit. Are you? Why? Like what? Like why? 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 Like what a fucking joke. Like this is a joke. It's so fucked. I mean, it's fucked. It's just absolutely fucked. If you would have waited for the overnight low to be taken and then waited for the, yeah, guys, it's always fucking easy in hindsight. If I would have bought at the low and I, you know, like, yeah, I get it. In fucking hindsight, you know, in fucking hindsight, it's all fucking easy, isn't it? Patrick, why did you not just wait to buy at the lows and then sell at the highs? You know, why? Why did you not? Why did you not do it, Patrick? Why? Why, Patrick? What a fucking joke. Ugh. All right, there we go. About a 200, a little under 140 point move to the down to the upside there, out of the opening range breakout. So like how crazy. I mean, it's just why? Look at that. Up there to the 15,600s now. I don't fucking know, man. I honestly don't fucking know. Like, how in the fuck does it do this after it breaks the opening range twice and then just goes up 200 points? How? Why? Why? You know? This is the setup that we wanted. This is exactly what we went for. The exact fucking setup this morning. Having the 15-minute opening range. That was exactly what we were looking for. We took the trade to the long on the upside, got stopped out. We took the trade on the downside. We took profit down there below the pivot. And then it fucking does. I don't fucking know. I honestly don't know. It's the most fucking defeating feeling in the world, to be honest. You know, I don't know. I don't really have an answer. So it's just like not, it's just every fuck. Oh God. Ugh. Yeah, you weren't using the break the opening range 4 time, then reverse strategy. Yeah, I never. That's a new strategy. I got to work on that one. It's not even like. Either way, it's not a big fucking deal. It's just frustrating, right? That's all it is. That it's just. I don't fucking know, you know. I really don't know. So I wish I had more answers, but I don't. I feel like yesterday we got kind of fucked around with the opening range and then it ended up paying big. Today we got fucked around with the opening range and then it ended up paying big. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Let's just say you went to target 3 on some runners. You risked 50 points, made 130. I don't fucking know. I don't know. So we'll be back tomorrow. Like I said, tomorrow morning. We'll be back tomorrow morning live streaming with another trader. Hopefully hopefully we'll see some good price. I'm not even gonna think about it, to be honest. There's no point even. I don't know. I just don't know. Everybody's gonna have to tell me, Patrick, you should have done this. Well, that's all I got. So
SL at quarter of the range TP deep like 3 to 4 R works bossman.
Whatever. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We'll be back here live from the BDH. I wish I had better news than that, but that's it. Peace to the Middle East.